Hello everyone, I'm Teacher Easier. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, I would like to talk about a past year question from NMOS 2021, which is about the divisibility test. Now everyone, let's have a look. So from this question, we have a 6063 digit number and is 6AB, 6AB kilo repeating and another 6AB. So we said that where A and B are represent different digits. If n is a multiple of 77, find the sum of all possible two-digit numbers A, B. So how do we solve this question? We say that n is a multiple of 77. So in other way, we can also say that n can be divided by 77. So everyone, for this question right here, let's look at one example about the divisibility test. Now, first thing first. There is three numbers, namely 7, 11, and also 13. We say that these three numbers, they multiply together, it is 1001. So everyone, if we would like to find out whether a number can be divided by 7, 11, and also 13. Now, how do we do that? For example, let's say we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is a 9-digit number. We want to check whether it can be divided by 7, 11, and 13 or not. So how do we do this? Now everyone, for this, what we are going to do is we have to use the place value principle to split our number. Now think about it. This is 1001. The 1001 here is a multiple of 7, 11, and 13. So 1001, it is closest to which whole number? Oh, we know that it is closest to 1000, right? So now everyone, in this question right here, 1000, we said that there's 3 zeros behind it. So we try to split our number here into 3-digit one part starting from the right. So everyone, from here, the first part, what do we have here? We can split into 1, 2, 3 times 1 with 6 zeros. The 6 zero, we can get it by looking at how many digits left at behind. So for example, the next one we have 4, 5, 6. So you can see that there is another 3-digit behind it. So we have 456 and times 1000. And finally we have 7, 8, 9. There is no any number behind it. So this is 7, 8, 9 times 1. So the next thing, what we're going to do is this thing right here. We change into the closest multiple of 1001. What would it be? So everyone, actually, the closest multiple of 1001, it is equal to 999,999, 6 digit of 9. And then, everyone can see that, oh, over here, we have one less of our 123. So what we're going to do next is, we have to add it at behind. Then the next thing, change it to a closest multiple of 1001, which is just 1001. And you can see that here we have one extra 456. So everyone, to make sure that it will still be equal, we minus the 456 behind it. And finally, 789, we just leave it at 789. Now everyone, let's observe what we have here. You see that we say that this is a multiple of 1001, which means that this whole thing will also be 1001. Same goes to this part. This is a multiple of 1001. The whole thing also will be 1001. So to check whether our number will be divisible by 7, 11, 30 or not, you just have to observe, this thing at behind. So let's try to calculate. So you can see that after we calculate, we will get 456. So everyone, to check whether our number can be divided by 7, 11, and also 13, we just have to check whether our result right here can be divided by these three numbers. So when we try to calculate it, divided by 7, there will be a remainder of 1. Divided by 11, there will be a remainder of 5. And again, divided by 13, there will be a remainder of 1 also. Which means that our 9-digit number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, it is not divisible by these three numbers 7, 11, and also 13. So everyone, you can see that what are we doing here? These three numbers. How do we know that whether we should add or we should minus out this number? Now you can see that our 9-digit number. Just now we say that we have to split from the right to the left 3 digits into one part, just like this. So you can see that now, let's say this is the first part, the second part, and the third part, starting from the right, alright? So you can see that, oh, 7, 8, 9. This is the 7, 8, 9, the first part. And then the second part, what do we do with the second part? We minus it out. And then the third part, we add it out. So what we are going to do is, we just have to use first part minus the second part, and then we add out the third part. Now think about it. What if we have more number? It is not only 3 parts. What are we going to do? Let's say we have this random number. So again, to check whether it can be divided by 7, 11, and 13, start from the right, we cut it into 3-digit one part. So this is one part, another one part, another one part, then another one part. So it is completely normal that this last part only have 2 digits. It is normal, right? So we know that, oh, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, total of 5 parts. So just now we already know that we have to use first part minus the second part plus the third part. How about the fourth part? Everyone, so you can see that it will follow the pattern here, minus, plus. So the next one, we minus the fourth part and we plus the fifth part. Alright, so we try to calculate what we have here. Oh, we'll get that it is 264. And what? So when we try to use 264, we divide by the set 3 numbers, 7, 11, and also 13. Oh, we realize that it can be divisible by 11. Everyone, this also means that our number here, this very, very big number, can be divisible by 11. Alright, you can try to check about it, alright? So everyone, you can see that we say that in this example right here, we learn about the divisibility test of 7, 11, and 13. So to check whether a number can be divided by these 3 numbers, what will be our first step? So we say that we have to split our number starting from the right, 3 digits into one part. And what's the next thing? Oh, we say that we have to find out this number over here by using the first part minus with second part plus the third part minus with the fourth part plus with the fifth part. And what? You can see that over here, you see the part that we are adding together, they are the odd part, the first part, the third part, and the fifth part. And we minus with the even part. So to calculate the number that we wanted here, we can also add up all the odd parts together. We minus out all of the even part. Or in other words, we say that we find the difference between the odd part and the even part. This is how we do the divisibility of 7, 11, and 13. So now, let's go back to our question. Everyone, you can see that in this question, we said that n is a multiple of 77. But just now, we never learned about 77. But think about it. Hey, 77, it is a product of which 2 numbers? Oh, 77 is just equal to 7 times 11. So if we say that a number is a multiple of 77, it also means that n should be a multiple of 7 and 11. So we just have to check, the divisibility test of 7 and 11. So do you remember how do we check just now? We said that for our number right here, we split into 3-digit one part starting from the right. And then we just have to find out the sum and the difference between the odd and even part. So if we try to calculate this, we can see that there will be a lot of 6AB add out together minus with a lot of 6AB. But now, what will be our answer? Everyone, you can see that we said that there will be 6,063 digits. So, is it the odd part right here will have more 6AB or is it the even part? We say that there will be one extra odd part than the even part, which means that our result right here will be just 6AB. Since we say that our number n right here is a multiple of 7 and a multiple of 11, which means that our 6AB right here should also be a multiple of 7 and 11. So everyone, we can try to use this characteristic right here to find our 2-digit AB. Now think about it. We say that it is a multiple of 7, multiple of 11. If you will try to find out the 3-digit number that satisfies the condition, maybe there will be a lot of numbers that you have to find and check it out. But think about it, we say that multiple of 7, multiple of 11. Everyone, this is actually just the multiple of 77. we just have to find out the 3-digit 6AB that is a multiple of 77. So when we try to calculate it, you will see that there will be two numbers, which is 616 and 693. Which means that our 2-digit number AB will just be equal to 16 and 93. Since we are trying to find the sum of all possible 2-digit number AB, we just have to add them up. You'll get 109. And this will be our final answer. Alright everyone, let's summarize what we learned from this question. So we learned about the divisibility test of 7, 11 and 13. What will be our first step? We have to split from the right 3 digits into one part. And what we are going to do next is to find out the difference between the odd and the even part. Okay everyone, now you can try to do this practice question and you can leave your answer at the comment section below. Alright, so you may join our WhatsApp group for more information about our activity. I hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.